What's going on, guys? Anders here today with Adrian from AVerMedia in Computex 2018, where he's gonna show up all the newest products.
So actually here we have, this year we released our new 4K series. We start with a 4K pass-through capture card, so both cards here are 4K pass-through.
What do you mean with pass-through?
So actually when you have all those 1080p cards, the 1080p 60 cards, they can only take 1080p inputs. Meaning that if you want to play in 4K, you cannot do it. You have to downscale your PS4 to 1080p. With these cards, you can actually play in 4K while recording in 1080p 60 at a very affordable price.
Oh, that's great, man.
Yeah.
So basically, for those who has their own old game captors and want to see of course, their new consoles in 4K, they need to get this solution, and will be easy for them. Like, I mean, they still record in 1080p, but they can see in 4K the game.
Yeah, they can actually enjoy the 4K gaming. I mean, they purchased the PS4 Pro, they purchased the 4K monitor. Now they can enjoy it. And for those who actually want to play and record in 4K, we just released both of these cards, the Live Gamer 4K and the Live Gamer Ultra, which are both 4K cards. The Live Gamer 4K can record in 4K P60 with HDR, which is right now it's unique on the market. It can also support high frame rate recording with up to 1080p 240 FPS, and also very, very low latency, like around 60, 70 ms. And it has RGB lighting, just a little bit of something more.
And so basically, with this one, you still can play using your PC monitor. Do you think, for the low latency that you mean?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You can directly watch the preview and play on the preview. And then we have the Live Gamer Ultra, which is a 4K external card, USB 3.1 card. It can pass through 4K P60 HDR. It can pass through high frame rate as well, but it can only record 4K P30. This is because of the USB 3.1, yes. You cannot go as high as 4K P60. And it can record up to 1080p 120 FPS, but it can still pass through the 240 FPS as well. Also very low latency because of the 3.1 connection.
Yeah, these ones are plug and play, right? That don't require any drivers, so it's like you don't need to be upgrading and all these moments that updating, and you just want to go through your game.
Yes, absolutely. It's a UVC device, so no drivers needed.
Do you want to talk a little bit about this microphone? Because I'm kind of interested in just.
So actually, this microphone is set up to release in September, around September. So it's still a prototype right now. It is a unidirectional microphone, and it is 3.5, as you can see here, 3.5 millimeter. So it can be plugged in, of course, into your PC, but also mobile phones, just like you see here, or HD cameras as well, which could be actually handy for Computex.
Alright, guys, so that's all for this video. Let us know on the comment section below what you think about the newest AVerMedia products. Thank you a lot, Adrian, for having us over.
Well, thank you too. Thank you for coming. Anytime. You can come back anytime if you want.
We will be back. My name is Anders, and I'll see you in the next video.